Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about conditional probability density function example. The given example is the joint density function of the random variables x and y is f of x comma y is equal to 8xy for x is equal to 0 to 1 and y is equal to 0 to x. Find the conditional density functions f of y by x and f of x by y. So coming to the solution, given that the joint density function is f of x comma y is equal to 8xy for 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 less than y less than x. From these two ranges, so 0 less than y less than x, 0 less than y less than x. But here x less than 1. So therefore 0 less than y less than x less than 1. So in this range, y range is 0 to x and x range is y to 1. Y is equal to 0 to x and x range is y to 1. So we know that the conditional density function of random variable y given random variable x is f of y by x is equal fxy of x comma y by fx of x. So given that the joint density function is there 8xy, so first calculate the marginal density function of the random variable x fx of x. We know that the marginal density function of the random variable x is given by f of x is equal integral minus infinity to infinity joint density function into dy. So applying the given joint density function f of x comma y is 8xy and the range of the y is equal to 0 to x. So therefore fx of x is equal integral y is equal to 0 to x 8xy dy. Here integrating with respect to y, 8x is the constant. So 8x into integral x is equal to 0 to x, y is equal to 0 to x, y dy. Integral y dy is y square over 0 to x. Now substitute upper value of y and lower value of y. We get fx of x is equal to 8x into 8x by 2, 4x. 4x into x square minus 0 is equal to 4x cube for x is equal to 0 to 1. And substitute this marginal density function value into conditional density expression. What is the conditional density expression? F of y by x is equal to fxy of x comma y by fx of x. So given that the joint density function is 8xy, here marginal density function of x is 4x cube. 8xy by 4x cube is 2y by x square. Similarly, we can determine the conditional density function of x given y is f of x by y is equal fxy of x comma y by fy of y. So first to calculate the marginal density function of the random variable y. We know that the marginal density function of the random variable y is fy of y is equal integral minus infinity to infinity fxy of x comma y dx. So given that the density function is 8xy for x is equal to y to 1. So now here integrating with respect to x, 8y is the constant. Integral x dx is x square by 2 over y to 1. Now substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. We get fy of y is equal. So now we are 2 times 2 fours. 4y into 1 minus y square. 2 fours. 4y into substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. 1 minus y square. And this is the marginal density function of the random variable y. And substitute this fy of y value into conditional density function of x given y, that is f of x comma y is equal joint density function from the given data 8xy divided by, now here fy of y is 4y into 1 minus y square. So numerator and denominator 4 2's, y is the cancel, therefore f of x by y is 2x by 1 minus y square.